The Conversations tab is your all-in-one inbox where you chat with leads and clients through text, calls, email, Facebook, and Instagram DMs, Google Messages, and WhatsApp. Every message lands in this one inbox, and the little logo tells you which channel it came from. This one has an @ symbol, so it is an email. It is under the unread tab. Click all to see every message, or use the unread, recent, and starred tabs up here. And you can search by contact or by something that was said in a message to find the right conversation. This one is an email, so it offers email back. But if they had texted or messaged on Facebook or Instagram, those options show right here next to email, and you switch between them. So you reply on whatever channel they used: text, a DM, a Google message, or WhatsApp. Just type your message and click send. It is that simple. And you can do all of this from the mobile app straight from your phone. On the right, you update the contact's information. If you do not have their phone number, add it here. You can assign the lead to a staff member who is signed in, add tags to categorize them, and put them on Do Not Disturb. So if someone says, "Do not text me again," you switch that on, and the system stops you messaging them because they opted out. At the top, you also see any manual texts, emails, or calls that need to be made. Now, template snippets. You can create message templates you reuse. Let me make a text template quickly. Call it welcome text. Maybe it is the same message you send everyone, and you find yourself sending it a lot. So save it once as a template, something like, "Hey, welcome," and then save it. Now you can use that text template in any conversation. Let me make an email one too to show how those work. Put a subject, welcome, then type your message, and you can drop in custom values like the contact's first name. So it reads, "Hey John." Type whatever you want and save it. Then back in conversations, you use that email template by clicking this little paper icon, insert template, pick the one you made, and it pastes straight into your message. So instead of typing the same thing every time, you build templates once and reuse them, which makes texting and emailing on every channel quick and easy. And lastly, the trigger links tab. You can create trigger links. Let me make one for our website. Add a link, name it website, and put your website address as the URL. So you can create trigger links for any page you include in the text and emails you send out. Save it, and now you can use it. Say you send an email with this trigger link, so you can see when someone clicks and when they open it, and you can automate things off that click. Send them a text or a follow-up email like, "Hey, we saw you checked out our website." Start typing your message, drop the trigger link in by clicking the little link icon, go to trigger links, and pick the website link you made. Add the link text, say "click here." That is what they see. And when they click, it opens your website. Choose a new window and save. So now when someone clicks your trigger link, you can track who clicked and automate a text or follow-up email based on it. Really powerful.